which of the following is not right for the function here? Vertical asymptote, horizontal asymptote. Okay, they are talking about vertical asymptote and horizontal asymptote. Good. And as we know, the function has a vertical asymptote always. Vertical asymptote. The function has a vertical asymptote that its function is x equal, because it is a vertical line, x equal the number that will make the denominator 0. Okay, what number will make this denominator 0? What number? I go to put this denominator equals 0 in order to see what x that will make it 0. So then it's going to be 2x equals what? 1, right? Divide by 2, so x equals what? Half, which is 0.5. Good. So in this case, now I put here 0.5, and this is the vertical asymptote. So the first one, they said its vertical asymptote is x equals 0.5. This is right, because they're asking about which one is not right. So this is right. Okay, now I see which one is wrong. Okay, I go to see the other one here. It doesn't have horizontal asymptote. Okay, when the function related, look, we have 3 cases for horizontal asymptote. We go to see the power here. As you see, this is 3x power 3 minus 1 over what? Over 2x minus 1. I go to see the higher power up and the higher power what? Down in the numerator and denominator. If the highest power up is greater than the highest power in the denominator, in this case it has no horizontal asymptote. So that means this one is right. This one is right. It has no horizontal asymptote. Okay, what about if the power up equals the power down? The high, I'm talking about the highest power. In this case, the horizontal asymptote will equal the coefficient of the first power up, or the highest power up, over the coefficient of the highest power down. Okay, what about if the highest power down is greater than the highest power up? In this case, it has a horizontal asymptote that y equals 0. Get here, its horizontal asymptote y equals, okay, look, if you have two choices in the test that contracts each other, as you see, that contracts each other, that means in general the answer will be one of them, as long as they are opposite each other. So in the second choice, they said it doesn't have horizontal asymptote. Then on C, they said it has a horizontal asymptote. So that means these are opposite. So that means one of them is right. So that means almost this one will be the answer. Just to make sure, an understanding, not on the test, but on the test. Here, the degree of the numerator is greater than the degree of the denominator. The degree is the highest power of the numerator. What is the highest power of the numerator? Is 3. Is greater than the higher power of the denominator? Yes. So that means this is right. So that means I choose this one, which is wrong, which that means this are asking about which one is not right. So this one, which is C, is not right. I go to choose this one as what? As the answer.